If you like to go out camping, especially camping like in a tent where you don't have a refrigerator and you're looking at getting one, this one right here from BougeRV, I would highly recommend. Let me show you why I like this one so much and all the features that it has and all the stuff you need to know before you get this. First, this thing is running right now. You can't even hear it. So this is not going to like disturb your sleep or anything like that. Control panels are here, easy to read, LED screen right here. This could rapidly cool down from 73 down to, or from 77 all the way down to 32 degrees in just like 12 minutes. Here's what some of the things you can do. You could change it from eco mode to max.
You can see here easily got down to 35 degrees.
Now, how can you power this? Well, you can power this a number of different ways. First, you can charge this by plugging it right into an outlet in your house, or if you have a power inverter or anything like that. You simply just plug it in, it will start charging for you right away. The next way is you can actually use the 12 volt in your car and power it just the same. Now, the cool thing about this one is it has an internal battery that lasts for like 29 hours. Let me show you. So I'm going to power this off. Lift this up. Right here is your battery. You can actually hook it up right here, 13 volt, 11 volt. You can hook this up to a solar panel to charge it. It has a USB right here and a USB-C right here. The battery easily comes right out. If you have more than one, you could swap them out that fast. You can just pull that back and use this as a power bank. You can charge it up with the USB-C or, like I said, the solar panel. Now, the cool thing is it comes with this app. You can see your fridge there. You click on it. It tells you the percentage of it. You can control the temperature down or up. You can even turn it on or off. You can put it to eco mode or put it back to max. Now, if I go back to the home screen here, you're going to see down on the bottom, it actually has what they call the mall, and you click on this and you can actually see some of their different products. And this page with general help and contact information as well. Now, let's look at the capacity of this thing. It opens up. You can easily keep things really nice and cold in here. But let me show you how much this thing actually holds. Look, you can keep your food nice and cold in there. Very nice and easy to do. But just look at this. You can easily fit a ton into this thing. Now, if you're comparing this to like a cooler, you might say, well, this particular one isn't as big. This is the size that I wanted, but you have to remember, you're not putting in all the ice. So you don't need all that extra room, wasted room for ice. This is going to keep everything nice and cold. Little guide that it gives you right there. The handles right here make it very nice and easy to grip and hold.
It has this nice LED light that lights it up and this drain in the bottom.
Well, there you go. There's all the features of this portable fridge right here. Hopefully I was able to answer a lot of your questions and show you everything that you need to know about this.